$2,000 my first month from posting this little video on YouTube. You heard me right, over $2,000. And the best part is, I had software do the work for me. As long as you are smart enough to use a microwave, then you are smart enough to do this. It's that simple. So why am I willing to show you for free exactly how I do it? Well, I explain that in the free training that I created for you. So just click the link in the description and you too can be making thousands of dollars per month online. Click the link in the description and I will see you in the free training.